Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Ito ho si Laila de Lima sa Miriam College, once upon a time Marinol. Ito ho, sabi niya, I am not what those people in the social media is projecting me. Hindi ako yung mababa ang lipad. Hindi ako yung pakawala. Kung ako'y nagkamaliman at medyo nagkaroon ng problema sa kahinaan ng aking mapusok na damdamin, hindi ko naman ibinenta ang bansa natin. Nilalako niya ho yung sinasabing alang katiyakan at pangamba. She's out there, you try to instill uncertainty and fear sa mga estudyante sa kanilang bubut ng isip sa larangan ng politika na eto na. Sabi ng ganun, parang Apo Hiking Society, eto na, sabi niya. Sabi niya, mas delikado tong ginagawa nitong si Digong kasi na malapit-lapit na tayo dun sa sinasabing revolutionary form of government kaysa doon sa martial law. Ang martial law mas mahirap. So, she tries her best to influence and condition the mind nitong mga nasa eskwelahan and explaining to them medyo yung kanyang selling proposition is instilling fear and uncertainty. And she defines fear as F-E-A-R. Fear. False evidence appearing real. So kanyang revolutionary form of government na sinisira niya, it's a false evidence. She's using that as an evidence appearing to be real because she wants it real even though it's not. So now, the only way for you to do is just to spin it around. Kaya may mga spin doctors na parang titirahin natin na medyo makondisyon natin ang mga utak nito para magkaroon ng walang katiyakan, uncertainty, at pangamba. The fear. Uncertainty. Oh, okay. Kaya sinasabi niya lahat na dahilan. So, parang I don't understand. Why is she going sa campuses? Because she is in a crisis mode na alam niya may mangyayari eventually. Sa Senado, natabla na siya roon, walang naniwala sa kanya. In fact, i-dismiss na nga itong Senate hearing noon na wala naman nangyari. At eto naman sa Kongreso, sabi ng mga Kongreso, hindi naman natin dito para ma-prosecute si Laila de Lima. Because we're here in aid of legislation para mapagtibay mga kahinaan na kabulukan nangyari sa NDP, sa National Beloved Prison, nung panahon ni de Lima na lumala kasi nabusabos kasi yung boss niya nung araw, puro pambubusabos na rin, kaya nabusabos ang Muntinlupa.